Hello Junior 4, I am Miss Ghadir Tariq. Welcome to my video. Today I am going to talk about the cell. The animal body consists of the cell, which is called animal cell, and the animal cell is the smallest building unit of the animal body. Then a group of cells make tissue, and the group of tissues make organs, and the group of organs make systems, and the group of systems make the organism. The plant body consists of, first of all, the smallest building unit of the plant is called the plant cell, and the group of plant cells together make the tissue, and the group of tissue make organ, and the organ of the plant is the green leaves. A group of green leaves, a group of organ make the system, and the group of systems make the organism. Now I will identify the structure of animal and plant cell. So we have here two cells, plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell contains cell wall, unlike the animal cell. The animal cell doesn't have any cell wall. So the plant cell has definite shape. Its shape doesn't change because it has cell wall. It is surrounded by cell wall. Unlike the animal cell doesn't have any cell wall, so it has indefinite shape. And now we have the nucleus. The nucleus is like the manager. النيوكليوس ديت المدير of the cell, the nucleus of the cell. It controls all the biological operation inside the cell. It controls all the activity in the cell because it is act like the manager. nucleus دي المدير. Okay, right. We have the cell membrane. The cell membrane, it is like the door. It allows the substance to enter and leave the cell. احنا عندنا السيل وول دي او السيل membrane. عندنا السيل membrane ديت like the door, like the security. It allows the substance to enter or leave the cell, and the cell membrane found in both animal and the plant cell. And now we have the vacuole. So what is the vacuole? The vacuole, it is found in both animal and the plant cell. The vacuole in the plant cell, it is one big vacuole, unlike the animal cell. The animal cell contains many small vacuole. And now we will turn to the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a fluid inside the cell where all the components of the cell swim in it. And the chloroplast, it is found in the plant cell only, and the animal cell doesn't have any chloroplast. The color of the chloroplast is green, and the chloroplast have another name which is called the green plastid. And the green plastid here, it is responsible to take sunlight and change the sunlight into starch. And this process is called photosynthesis process. So what is photosynthesis process? The plant carry out photosynthesis process which takes sunlight and take carbon dioxide gas and give out oxygen gas and the starch. Now I am going to talk about the economic importance of yeast fungus. زي ما احنا اتفقنا ان اليست ديت يعني خميرة used in making bread. طبعا واحنا بنصنع البريد او بنعمل بيتزا خلاص لازم we put yeast. لازم نحط خميرة. why we put yeast؟ شايفين يا جونيور فور البابلز here. This bubbles is due to the carbon dioxide gas. So yeast, when we add yeast during making bread or when we made pizza, carbon dioxide gas is produced from the yeast and causes the swelling of bread. The bread will increase in size. And it make it porous and light. كلمة pore or porous means it make holes. عندها كده زي فتحات كده. This circle is due to the carbon dioxide gas, and this is the shape of the bread after cooking. Now, the economic importance of the yeast fungus used in making alcohol. Okay, as yeast convert sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. طبعا احنا لو عملنا experiment وجبنا empty glass bottle or empty plastic bottle and we add yeast and sugar, حطينا شوية خميرة وشوية سكر, okay, and water, and we will put a balloon like this as shown in the figure. Okay, what will happen? The yeast will react with the sugar and it will produce out carbon dioxide gas which blow up the balloon. Unicellular organisms like the yeast fungus. عارفين يعني ايه كلمة yeast؟ yeast يعني خميرة. okay, طيب. So we are going to identify the structure of the yeast fungus. The yeast fungus is surrounded by the cell membrane and it has a vacuole, it has a cytoplasm, and it also has a nucleus. And we cannot see the yeast fungus by our naked eye. We can see the yeast fungus under the microscope. And the yeast fungus contains and it is surrounded by the cell wall or the cell membrane like the plant cell to give it definite shape. Okay, and it has also the nucleus like the animal cell and the plant cell. All the cells have nucleus. Why it contains nucleus? Because the nucleus acts like the manager, زي المدير. okay, it controls all the cell.